Quảng Citadel, a symbol of sacrifice. What list? 1. Significance. Significance. 2. Strategic. Strategic. 3. Bombardments. Bombardments. 4. Artillery. Artillery. 5. Immense. Immense. 6. Solemn memorial. Solemn memorial. 7. Fallen. Fallen soldiers. 8. Opponent claims. Opponent claims. 9. Resilience. Resilience. 10. Reflect on. Reflect on. 11. Reminder. Reminder. 12. Cherish. Cherish. 13. Military. Military. 14. Administrative. Administrative. 15. Ensure. Ensure. 16. Attribute to. Attribute to. The passage. Quảng Citadel, a symbol of sacrifice. Quảng Citadel, located in central Vietnam, is a place of deep historical significance. Built in 1824 during the Nguyen dynasty, the citadel was originally a military and administrative center. Its thick brick walls, moats, and gates reflected the strategic importance of the region. However, Quảng Citadel is best remembered for the fierce battle that took place there in 1972 during the Vietnam War. For 80 days and nights, the citadel endured relentless bombardments and artillery fire as North Vietnamese and South Vietnamese forces fought for control. The destruction was immense, and countless soldiers lost their lives within its walls. Today, the site stands as a solemn memorial to those who sacrificed their lives. Visitors can walk among the preserved ruins and see remnants of bunkers. The Central Museum displays photographs, documents, and personal belongings that provide a poignant glimpse into the suffering and resilience of that area. Inspired by these events, the film Mưa Đỏ, Red Rain, released in August 2025, was created both to partly reenact the tragedy and to serve as a tribute to the fallen soldiers. Beyond its military history, Quảng Citadel symbolizes the enduring spirit of Vietnamese people, their resilience, determination to overcome hardships. Each year, thousands of visitors, including veterans and young students, come to pay their respects and reflect on the costs of war. Quảng Citadel is not just a historical site, it is a powerful reminder of sacrifice and peace, urging future generations to cherish freedom and unity. Thank you for listening.